In this video, you will learn about the latest tips in how to use generative AI such as ChatGPT effectively for your business. These tips are based on the latest research in AI. They are based on the latest peer-reviewed journal articles in this field, between 2023 and 2025. At Anova AI Labs, we know that artificial intelligence is only as powerful as the instructions you give it. Large language models, such as ChatGPT, are capable of writing, analyzing, and creating, but their effectiveness depends on the quality of your prompts. If you ask, "Tell me about AI," you'll get a vague response. But if you ask, "Summarize AI, its subfields, and its applications in healthcare and finance in under 150 words," you'll get sharp, usable insight. That's the difference between wasted time and actionable value. We've reviewed the latest peer-reviewed research from 2023 to 2025, and the message is clear. Prompt engineering is not just a convenience, it's essential. Researchers have shown time and again that poor prompts generate irrelevant or even unsafe results, while clear, structured prompts unlock reasoning and creativity. For example, in biomedical contexts, vague queries produced incomplete or misleading outputs. But when instructions included context and constraints, models delivered expert-level results. Businesses face the same gap. A poor prompt like, "Write me a marketing plan," results in generic content. A better one, "Create a 5-step digital marketing strategy for a mid-sized Irish e-commerce company, focusing on AI-driven customer retention and automation," under 500 words, delivers a customized roadmap. Content creators experience the same shift. Asking, "Give me a caption," leads to randomness. Asking, "Write 3 playful Instagram captions under 20 words for a fitness brand launching a new protein shake," produces targeted, engaging results. The research defines prompting as more than typing a question. It's about framing the task, constraining the answer, and embedding the right context. In practice, this means businesses should treat prompting like design thinking, where clarity, iteration, and refinement shape the output. Across industries, this matters. In banking, AI can act as a fraud analyst when guided with detailed instructions. In healthcare, prompting can make the difference between vague medical suggestions and accurate diagnostic insights. In manufacturing, precise prompts help models predict equipment failures and detect defects in real time. One proven strategy is to break down complex tasks into smaller parts. Instead of asking for a full report in one go, start by prompting for a table of contents, then draft the introduction, then move section by section. Another strategy is embedding context. Don't just ask, "Explain reinforcement learning." Instead, ask, "Explain reinforcement learning as if to senior managers in manufacturing, focusing on predictive maintenance." Iteration is also key. Prompt, review, refine, and prompt again. For content creators, this is game-changing. A vague request for a YouTube script may yield a dull response. But a refined request like, "Write a 5-minute script for a tech channel explaining AI in simple terms for teenagers, using humor and analogies," generates content that resonates with a clear audience. So what are the keys? Be clear and specific. Provide context and, where possible, assign a role to the AI. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable prompts. Define tone, length, and format. And always treat prompting as a dialogue, not a one-shot request. At Anova AI Labs, we see prompt engineering as a bridge, transforming AI's vast potential into practical solutions for business, marketing, and decision-making. By mastering this skill, you can unlock time savings, boost creativity, and gain a competitive advantage. And remember, at Anova AI Labs, we don't just research prompting. We also provide the latest training on the most powerful AI tools available, tailored for businesses of all sizes. With us, you and your team can learn how to get the very best out of AI, today and tomorrow.